Hello again. I've just left the hotel and I'm going to Senzo Mall, which apparently is the largest and the most modern shopping center in Hurghada. So this is how it looks like, the promenade where all hotels, all resorts are located, and there is just this kind of motorway. I think it's like a 20 minutes walk to the shopping center, Senzo Mall. I'm gonna check it. I want to buy some souvenirs, maybe some sweets. Let's see what can we find there. Quite interesting to be outside the resort itself and to check some of the buildings, some of the places around. On the streets we can find some pretty nice buildings. Hotels on the one side and a lot of little shops on the other side. They have everything, I guess. It's pretty nice now. It's not so hot anymore, and there are clouds. Haven't seen clouds here for the past few days. It's the first day today, so it's something new again for me. And the sea was really wavy today. Some friends warned me that there would be a lot of strangers trying to sell me things, trying to offer me services like taxi or other kind of things. And actually yesterday when we were walking down the street, but like the other way, a lot of taxis stopped, a lot of shop owners stopped us because we were walking down that side of the street. And yeah, they were trying to welcome us in. They were trying to invite us to their shops to sell us perfumes, clothes. Maybe it's considering that their salary is actually 100 euro, around 100 euro per month is their average salary here in Egypt. Considering that, I'm not really surprised that they are trying their best. It's interesting, they don't have the zebras to cross the street, so we just cross just like that. Quite an interesting way to walk for pedestrians. And I think we are arriving at the Senzo Mall. Not sure though if this is the mall that I'm searching for, but it could be one. I've just asked those two men how to find this Senzo Mall, as apparently I've got a bit lost. I didn't know that there is one more street to cross. Yeah, and I also asked where to cross it, but again they just told me I can walk just like that. So yeah, we will see, we will check, we will wait until those cars pass. Then I will try to cross the road here. It's so windy, unbelievable. And wow, the guy just waved at me, but yeah, unfortunately I couldn't get it on camera. People are really friendly here, and no, I don't agree that they are annoying or anything. Okay, so I guess I have to find a way to cross it somehow. It's a bit of wild wild way of crossing, but okay, let's try. No cars, no cars from one side, then we will wait for the free road to the other side. Okay, it is clear now. You can see how the sky looks like. Sahara dust in the air. The sky is totally not blue anymore, it's gray. A few weeks ago we had some Sahara dust in Vilnius, and for 2 days the sky wasn't blue, it wasn't clear, and now I can understand why. It's unbelievable. But yeah, that's how the dust works. It's so windy. Feels like just before the storm. This is how we cross the road there. So this is Senzo Mall just in front of me. Now we will check if it was worth it. Look at this. Look at the sky, just look at the sky. It's totally gray. I wonder how people breathe here. When we had this Sahara dust for a few days in Vilnius, it was recommended by the government not to leave the house if possible. But here, I guess people experience it pretty often. Okay, so we've reached the entrance. Just want to find some souvenirs. I'm not sure where should I head to, but I wonder how will I get back, because it will get dark in 2 hours actually, because now it's like 5 p.m. yesterday, and like on the night yesterday to today, the time was shifted 1 hour forward. So now I have here the same time as in Vilnius. But anyway, I have just 2 hours before it gets dark. So €1 is 50 Egyptian pounds. Unbelievable, but it started raining here in Egypt. I don't know what to expect. Will it be a big storm, or like, I'm not sure what to expect honestly. But it started raining. I just walked out from the shopping center. I have 2 bags, as you see, and yeah, now I'm just thinking if I really can walk, or like what do I do? What do I do now since it's raining in Egypt? Unbelievable. I just walked out, I did my shopping, bought souvenirs, bought some tea, coffee, magnets, and now I'm not sure what to do. It's raining in Egypt. Spinis is the name of the supermarket that I went to in the shopping mall, and here's what I've managed to find. So some snacks, some protein bars, kind of Turkish delight, but this is Egyptian delight, dates, Of course, dates are something that Egypt is famous for. Then here we have more dates, but with different variations. Dates with natural fruits, chocolate and nuts. Dates with chocolate and nuts. Here chocolate date, coffee caramel. Chocolate dates, again chocolate date, coffee caramel. Chocolate dates, and chocolate dates, almonds. Turkish coffee. I've bought a lot of these as I'm planning to bring it to my friends and family for souvenirs. And you have different coffee, so like plain coffee light roast, plain coffee mid roast, extra cardamom mid roast, and 10% cardamom light roast. And a little packages of tea. Also, I'm preparing them as souvenirs. Tea, El Salam tea, and some seed oil, black seed oil. Also some magnets. Here we have Nefertiti, here we have Cleopatra. And of course, at the duty free for 15 euros, Karelia Red.